So let's talk about spinning one poi and going deep with that. Doing musically, I'm going to do hum and sing for you for this. So again, you can't poise all about building a foundation and building up on top of that foundation, much like this great cathedral. You know, probably there's a big foundation on the bottom, and then you build on. Yeah, I know I'm almost quoting Jesus here, but you know, why not, right? So build your poi on a good foundation. So that comes back to one poi, and really becoming free and having fun musically with one poi. So that means that once you can be like, okay, I can cross forwards and I can cross backwards. Good. Can we do all the tricks now? No, it doesn't work that way. No. You have to really go into it. So, for instance, this is just playing with one poi, right? But you can play like you're dancing. You can move and spin like you're prancing. You can make it a fun game, and it can be expressive in a way to move. And I'm making these lyrics up. I know it's a little strange, but if you can play like this, and people might think you're deranged, but you will deeply learn how to move the poi from your center, and then when you add a second poi, it'll work, and you can enter, you know, more poi moves. So play, and let me know how that goes. Oh, my friends have arrived! Yay!